Imagine a tool that not only tells but shows your potential. A portfolio does just that, offering tangible proof of your skills and achievements. It's more than a collection, it's your career's visual story. While a CV outlines your experience, a portfolio complements it by showcasing your work in action. Together, they form a compelling narrative that can open doors across various industries. Portfolios come in many formats: physical, digital, and video. Each serves a unique purpose, catering to different professions and audiences. Choosing the right one is crucial for making a lasting impression. Digital portfolios are versatile and easily shareable, while physical ones offer a tactile experience. Video portfolios bring your work to life, perfect for visual professions. Consider your field and audience when deciding. Every portfolio should have essential sections: an introduction, work samples, and testimonials. These elements tell the story behind your work, highlighting your unique selling points and achievements. A visually appealing portfolio captures attention. Use simple, professional designs with easy-to-read fonts and consistent formatting. Accessibility is crucial. Ensure your portfolio is usable by everyone. Keep it simple yet powerful. Avoid clutter and distractions. Your work should be the focus, supported by a clean, organized layout that guides viewers through your story effortlessly. Select and present your strongest work samples. Highlight quality over quantity, ensuring each piece demonstrates your skills effectively. Use testimonials and references to add credibility and context. Testimonials provide third-party validation, reinforcing your capabilities. They offer insights into your work ethic and impact, making your portfolio more persuasive and trustworthy. Regular updates keep your portfolio relevant. Integrate it with your CV for a cohesive application. Ensure it's easily shareable, allowing potential employers to access it effortlessly. By maintaining an updated portfolio, you stay prepared for opportunities. It reflects your growth and adaptability, showcasing your latest achievements and skills. Keep it fresh and let it work for you.